I saw your comments on my last video. I got you. On this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can get to 5,000 followers as fast as possible so you can get into the TikTok Shop affiliate program. I'm going to show you the 3 different strategies that I've personally done to grow multiple TikTok accounts to over 5,000 followers within 1 to 2 weeks. All right, guys, let's begin the tutorial. Now, first of all, before we get to the strategies, let's talk about how you're going to find what products to promote, because maybe a lot of you right now don't know which product you're going to promote. Now, why is this important? Because we are going to build TikTok accounts around the niche of product that you want to promote on TikTok, right? As a TikTok affiliate. Now, in order to find which products are working right now on TikTok Shop, we're gonna go to Viralytic, all right? Viralytic is a tool that shows you exactly which products are making the most money on TikTok Shop, which videos are working for those products, so you can have an idea on which niche to create a TikTok account around. Okay, so we're gonna go to Viralytic. I'm gonna leave a link to Viralytic on the description of this video, and also a nice 50% off discount code for you guys. Now, the tool does offer a 7-day free trial, so I recommend you go check it out. It's gonna make your life a whole lot easier when it comes to finding products to promote on TikTok Shop. All right, now once you've created an account with Viralytic, we're gonna go to top sales, and then we're gonna go to monthly. All right, now here's gonna give you a whole list of products that are selling like crazy on TikTok Shop. Now, why is this important? Because if you're looking to get into TikTok Shop affiliate, well, I recommend that you promote products that are already selling like crazy on TikTok so you make money, right? You don't want to spend time promoting products or making videos around products that are never going to sell. So I recommend promote products that are making millions of dollars a month. So here we go. We have a whole list of products that are all making at least $1 million a month inside TikTok Shop. Now, for example, we have these Gully Gummies, right? Gully Gummies, I'm gonna go to relevant videos. Here it shows you which videos have performed the best for this particular product and how much money these affiliates have made. So if the affiliates are literally making hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales on this product, then I wanna make sure I'm jumping in on that product as well, okay? Now, here I want you to pick a product that you really see yourself promoting, or just get an idea on what niche you want to start with, right? Maybe you're really into gyms. Maybe you're really into working out. Then you see some fitness products here, right? So I want you to first figure out what niche you want to start with, whether you want to start with promoting vitamins, supplements, you want to promote gym stuff, you want to promote electronics. Figure out what you're really passionate about and what you really see yourself making content around, because trust me, you want to make sure that you're making content around something that you like, because you're going to be making a lot of content with these products. All right, now after you figure it out, for example, for today, I'm going to go ahead, and I've seen that a lot of supplements are very popular here on TikTok Shop. So the niche that I'm going to pick to build this TikTok account around is going to be health. All right, so now that I've figured out what niche I want to create this TikTok account with, then we're going to start with strategy number 1. All right, now, before we move forward, I do want to say, yes, you can have multiple TikTok accounts, all right? Now, what I've seen in order for you to get accepted on the TikTok Shop affiliate program is that you have to get those TikTok accounts verified with an ID. Now, TikTok only allows you to verify 5 different accounts under one ID. So typically, just as a rule of thumb, you're maxed out on 5 accounts, okay? 5 accounts is what I'm currently seeing. I've seen some people maybe get 7, but from my personal experience, you're only allowed to verify 5 different TikTok accounts under one ID, okay? Now, after you've picked what niche you want to start with, now let's go ahead and build that TikTok account. Now, strategy number 1 is simply gonna be cutting up already popular videos around that niche. So in order to do that, we're gonna go to YouTube, right? And I want you to search someone or a channel that's known for that particular niche. For example, if you were on the gym niche, then I would go to Sam Sulik's channel, right? Because he's definitely a big influence when it comes to working out, right? People that are into fitness follow Sam Sulik. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into YouTube, I'm gonna grab all of Sam Sulik's videos, I'm going to clip them, and I'm going to reshare them on a TikTok that I'm gonna create. Therefore, everyone's gonna start following that TikTok account that really likes Sam Sulik also likes gyms. So once I get that account to over 5,000 followers, then I can start promoting fitness products. Now for this video, we're focusing on the health niche. So let me think, who is known in this niche that I can clip their videos from? Well, I can actually think of a couple people. One of them that comes to mind is Huberman, right? Huberman Lab, very popular guy when it comes to talking about health and nutrition and all that. So there we go. Huberman, I'm gonna simply click on his channel and I'm gonna go to videos and I'm gonna sort by popular, right? So here you have a lot of his videos and they're all podcast style, which is actually perfect, right? Because this type of content easily goes viral on TikTok. So I'm gonna go to his channel. I'm gonna get the most popular one right here. I see one he has with David Goggins. I'm gonna click on the video and I'm going to copy the link for the video. Next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the software called Vizard. Now, Vizard.ai is a software that utilizes artificial intelligence to clip these YouTube videos for you in short form, right? So you don't have to spend hours clipping these videos one by one. This literally makes your life a whole lot easier, and it also does the posting for you. Yes, you can schedule post within Vizard.ai. So you can literally just come over here, drop the link on Vizard, it automatically clips it, it has captions, and it posts the videos for you on TikTok. All right, so I'm gonna leave the link for Vizard.ai in the description of this video, guys. You guys can go and check it out. All right, so over here in Vizard.ai, I'm gonna go ahead and paste the video from Huberman Labs, and I'm simply gonna clip on, and then I'm going to clip on get clips for free, boom, get AI clips. And what it's doing right now, it's simply chopping up the content, right? And it's creating these short form videos that we're then going to reshare on this TikTok account that we're gonna create. All right, we're gonna let it do its job and then we'll come back here when it's all done. Now, while we're waiting, if you like this content, all I ask for you in return is to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps you a lot. And if you have any question on this whole process, leave it on the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you. Now, let's keep it going. All right, guys, we're inside Vizard.ai. As you can see, the tool has already split the video into multiple short form clips. It's added cool captions, as you can see right here. And what I'm going to do simply is export these videos and post them on my TikTok account. Now, what's really cool about Vizard.ai is that you can actually post right from Vizard, right? So all you're gonna do is simply export the video, and then while it's exported, you can actually post right here. Now, if you click on Post Generator and you go to TikTok, you can actually schedule out posts, right? So you can come over here, you can select the clips that you want to post from here. Say I want to post them all. I can export them all. I'm going to come here to Post Generator, and all I'm going to do is simply schedule out my posts from within Vizard.ai. So it will literally take you about 10 to 15 minutes to, number one, find popular YouTube videos, drop it into Vizard.ai. Vizard.ai automatically splits the videos for you, adds the captions, and you can even schedule out your posts on your TikTok account from within Vizard.ai. This is the fastest way to getting your account to 5,000 followers organically, right? And that follows all of TikTok's terms of service. Okay, I've grown multiple accounts this way and I highly recommend it. So it's very important that you find the most popular videos on YouTube that has the most views, get those clipped, and then what's great about it is that all of a sudden, once you get to 5,000 followers, well, you're gonna have 5,000 people that have shown interest on the health niche. So when I actually start promoting videos around vitamins on that page, those people are most likely going to purchase, which essentially is going to have your videos go more viral. All right, now let's go to strategy number 2, guys. Now, strategy number 2 is gonna be building a TikTok account around your personal brand. Yes, so I recommend, if you're really knowledgeable about something, maybe you're passionate about fitness, maybe you are already a personal trainer, well then get on TikTok and start talking about the things that you know. Now that type of content is most likely gonna go viral, and you're also going to get followers very, very fast. Now the reason why is because people like to follow other people that are giving them value on their content. Now, how do I know that? Well, let me show you my TikTok account right here. As you can see, I have over 100,000 followers, and all I do on that TikTok account is simply talk about money-making opportunities like TikTok Shop Affiliate. So, and the reason why I've gained followers so fast is because my content, number one, goes viral, and then people always save my content, they share my content, and also they like to follow the account because they want to learn different strategies on how to make money online. So the same thing you can do. Maybe you're passionate about fitness, or you know something about health or cars. Go on TikTok, turn on your camera, and get to recording and posting, and trust me, you are going to build a huge presence on TikTok. Now, what's great about this is that once you actually get past 5,000 follower mark and you become a TikTok Shop affiliate, those followers are most likely going to purchase the products that you are going to tell them to buy because you have built social proof with them, right? They've been following you for a while, you've built trust with them, meaning they're most likely gonna follow what you tell them. So now, if you don't know what topics to talk about, well, you have AI to really help you figure out what topics to talk about on TikTok. Now, to figure that out, we're gonna go to ChatGPT, guys. We're gonna go to ChatGPT, and all you're gonna do is simply tell it, hey, I want to build a personal brand on TikTok, right? I want to build a personal brand on TikTok, and I need video ideas, right? So for example, I'm gonna go, I want to build a personal brand on TikTok around fitness, right? Can you give me video topic ideas? All I'm going to do is I'm going to have ChatGPT give me a whole lot of different video topic ideas that I can make content around. For example, daily workout routines, quick fitness tips, fitness challenges, before and after transformations, healthy meal ideas, beginner workout guides, common fitness mistakes. Now I can even go deeper with AI, and I can have it build a script for each different topic. So build, give me a TikTok video script for each different topic. Now, what this is going to do is going to script out a different TikTok video for each different topic. For example, here, idea number one that it's giving me, daily workout routines, script. Hey everyone, today I'm working out on my legs. Here's a quick workout you can try. Boom, right? So there we go. Without you even having to think about it, you already have so many different video ideas that you can make content around, and you can build your personal brand. Now, I know this might be a little challenging for you guys, but trust me, it's all well worth it, because once you actually get really good at this, the money that you can make as a TikTok Shop affiliate if you have a personal brand is actually really good. Now, from what I see here on Viralytic, the people that make the most money from TikTok are people that already have had a following from their personal brand, and they're simply promoting products on their TikTok that fit their niche, right? So that's my advice for you guys. This is a little harder. Yes, you do have to be in front of the camera, and yes, you do have to get good at recording yourself. But once you get good at this, trust me, it's all well worth it. And finally, the final way on how you can build a TikTok account without having to show your face is using AI videos to generate content for you. All right, now how does that work? I'm gonna give you an example of a video using AI right here, right? As you can see, that video right here that I'm showing you, it's not a person, right? It's simply just a video generated with AI. Now, what you're gonna do is simply find clips and find videos that have gone viral around the niche that you want to promote and replicate them using AI. Now, the final way and the easiest way to get to 5,000 followers fast for your TikTok Shop account, well, it's simply buying an account. Now, there are websites like FameSwap that will actually let you buy accounts that already have more than 5,000 followers. Now, my advice to you, if you're going to really use this website, do your research on the person that's selling you this account so you don't get scammed. Now, FameSwap is a good source. I've bought an account from fameswap.com, so I recommend it, but please always look into the seller and make sure you're not getting scammed. All right, now inside my community and course, we actually sell accounts that have already been vetted by us. So if you are interested on maybe purchasing an account or being part of my community and course, in the description of this video, you can find a link that will give you access to my course and community. Inside my course, you will learn everything that has to do with TikTok Shop Affiliate, other strategies on how to get to 5,000 followers as fast as possible, and obviously you can buy accounts from inside the community so you can get to 5,000 followers fast, and you can get to promoting products that are the best out there, that pay out the most commissions, and so on. So if you are interested on purchasing an account, then go ahead, click the link on the description. You can go into my course and community, and you can purchase accounts directly from there. All right, guys, that's it for today. Now, if you would like to learn more how this business works, in the description of the video, there's another video that shows you how to create AI videos as a TikTok Shop affiliate so you can generate money without even having to show your face. Also, make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be dropping a full-on course on TikTok Shop affiliate, everything from A to Z, and you cannot miss out. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you set notifications on because you want to be the first to watch this course when I actually drop it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next.